The legal profession encompasses dozens of specializations, each requiring unique expertise to address specific legal challenges. Understanding these different types of lawyers can help you find the right legal professional when you need one. Legal specializations have evolved to address the complexities of modern society and business. From personal matters to corporate concerns, there's a specialized attorney for virtually every legal situation. Personal injury lawyers handle cases where someone has been physically or psychologically injured due to another party's negligence. They manage cases involving car accidents, medical malpractice, workplace injuries, and product liability. These attorneys typically earn between $80,000 and $164,000 annually. Toxic tort lawyers focus specifically on cases involving exposure to hazardous chemicals or environmentally toxic conditions. They represent either injured plaintiffs or defendant parties, often dealing with manufacturers of defective products, drugs, or chemicals. For matters concerning your assets and future planning, estate planning lawyers provide essential services. They help establish wills and trusts, offer counsel on retirement plans, life insurance, and charitable contributions. Estate attorneys earn approximately $95,000 per year. When financial troubles become overwhelming, bankruptcy lawyers provide guidance on eligibility and options. They represent individual and corporate debtors and creditors in Chapter 7 liquidations, Chapter 11 restructurings, and Chapter 13 debt reorganizations. Bankruptcy attorneys average about $113,000 annually. Intellectual property lawyers protect ideas, inventions, and creative works through copyright, trademark, and patent law. Patent law specialists require additional licensing and technical backgrounds in fields like chemistry, engineering, or software development. Employment and labor attorneys address workplace issues arising from employment contracts or during employment. They handle cases involving sexual harassment, wrongful termination, workers' compensation, wage disputes, workplace safety, privacy rights, and discrimination. These specialists earn approximately $144,000 per year. Corporate lawyers advise business owners on company formation, governance, and compliance. They may work as in-house counsel or for law firms, specializing in areas like employment, trademarks, real estate, mergers and acquisitions, securities, tax law, bankruptcy, or international commercial law. Corporate attorneys typically earn around $180,000 annually. Aviation lawyers handle matters concerning airlines, airports, pilots, and manufacturers, working closely with regulatory agencies like the Federal Aviation Administration and National Transportation Safety Board. Mergers and acquisitions lawyers specialize in the buying and selling of companies, with expertise in finance, securities, and tax law related to these transactions. Real estate attorneys handle property transactions and litigation, earning an average of $118,000 annually. Public interest lawyers work with international organizations, educational institutions, and nonprofits, often at reduced rates or pro bono. They may also serve as public defenders for those unable to afford legal representation. Immigration lawyers navigate the complex process of obtaining green cards, employment visas, citizenship, asylum, and business registration for foreign companies. They average $130,000 annually. Asylum lawyers specifically help individuals fleeing persecution seek refuge in the United States, preparing applications and representing clients in immigration hearings. Criminal lawyers represent clients throughout the legal process, from arrest to trial. They may work as prosecutors, public defenders, or private defense attorneys. Medical malpractice attorneys handle cases involving physician misconduct, misdiagnosis, treatment errors, or consent violations. Legal malpractice lawyers deal with cases where attorneys have failed to uphold professional standards of care. Tax attorneys specialize in federal, state, and local tax laws, providing counsel on specific issues or representing clients in tax-related cases. Elder law attorneys assist seniors and their families with issues related to aging, including Medicaid planning, guardianship, and long-term care. Family and divorce lawyers handle matters of child custody, support, and asset division, earning approximately $100,000 annually. Adoption lawyers facilitate domestic and international adoptions, ensuring compliance with relevant laws and working with agencies to smooth the process. Workers' compensation attorneys help determine employer liability and appropriate compensation for workplace injuries. Employee benefits lawyers specialize in workplace benefits like health insurance, pension plans, and disability benefits, ensuring compliance with relevant labor laws. Contract lawyers advise on contract formation, issues, and litigation involving contract violations. Social Security disability attorneys help clients establish eligibility for benefits and appeal denials. Civil litigation lawyers represent plaintiffs or defendants in lawsuits, often specializing in areas like corporate, commercial, or environmental litigation. Consumer protection attorneys advocate for victims of fraud, deceptive practices, or product liability issues, often collaborating with regulatory agencies. Civil rights lawyers represent clients in cases involving discrimination based on age, race, gender, disability, religion, or other protected characteristics. They earn approximately $110,000 annually. Criminal defense attorneys represent defendants in criminal proceedings, from investigation through trial and potential appeals, earning around $90,000 per year. Traffic and DUI lawyers handle cases involving driving infractions and intoxication charges, with average earnings of $70,000 annually. Environmental lawyers focus on regulatory compliance and protection of natural resources. Government lawyers serve at federal, state, county, or municipal levels, often specializing in specific areas of public law. Military attorneys, or judge advocate generals, represent military personnel in civil and criminal cases, advise commanders on legal matters, and handle military discipline. Entry-level military lawyers earn about $48,000 annually. Finance and securities attorneys provide counsel on banking, investment, and stock-related issues, representing clients in IRS or SEC cases. Digital media and internet lawyers handle technology-related legal matters, including copyright, website terms, internet privacy, and online safety. Entertainment attorneys represent clients in cases involving entertainment contracts, royalties, and licensing agreements. Sports lawyers represent athletes, teams, leagues, and organizations in contract negotiations, endorsement deals, and compliance matters. General practice lawyers offer counsel across multiple legal specializations, providing comprehensive legal services for diverse client needs. Paralegals serve as legal administrative assistants who have qualified by examination for credentials or licenses, depending on state requirements. When seeking legal representation, consider the specific nature of your legal issue and find an attorney with relevant expertise. The right lawyer can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case, providing specialized knowledge and experience tailored to your unique situation.